Hello everyone, and welcome back to another lesson. And today we'll be making our own function to create what we need. So I have a idea, but so what we're gonna do is, like always, we're gonna do a pound include iostream, and that's all that we're gonna really need for now. We're gonna do our int main, and then return 0. So then now what we're going to do is set up as usual using wrong button, using namespace std, and we're going to call we're going to make a function called Simon. We're going to have a forward declaration above the main. So we're going to do a void. So there's no return type. We don't it doesn't return anything from us. Simon int. So then we can do so right above it we can do or right below, because if we did above we wouldn't have to forward declare the function. So what we do is void Simon, and then we would add, you should always add the parentheses, and you do int underscore n, and then what we would do is using namespace std, we would do a cout Simon says touch your toes underscore n many times. So if we did this, and then we spaced that out, and we saved it, and then what we did was we went up to our main, right? Well, first of all, we're going to do a system pause, and then we are going to just pass in, call the function Simon, and then pass in a 3. And then if we loaded the function, if we ran the program, well, there you go, computers. Simon says touch your toes three many times. 3 many times, yeah. Well, English is fun. So, but yeah, we can do that. But then what we could do is do a cout a virus threat protection's been found. Oh my god. We could do a cout pick a integer. Oops. And then we're gonna pass in a integer, do a cn integer, and then pass in Simon integer, into so then if we save it and we load it, it'll still say the 3 many times, but pick an integer, so we're going to do 5. And Simon says touch your toes 5 many times, press anything to continue. So really that is how we pass in functions, and then we can use our own our own user input to make the functions do whatever we want, so we don't have to rely on main to have such a big thing. So I'm going to go deal with this threat protection thing now, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!